Alright guys, I'm back and today guys is gonna be a no BS video. I'm basically gonna show you today how are people making a shit ton of money with meme coins on the Solana blockchain while you guys are losing all your money trading left and right. You're getting rock pulled, you're getting scammed. Today I'm here to show you how these people are actually making money on your back so you can stop making these mistakes and you can learn how it works. You can learn the name of the game. So let's get straight to it, guys. So basically today I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to launch a meme coin, specifically on Radium. Radium is like the biggest decentralized exchange for Solana meme coins. So when you think about the Trump coin, the Pepe coin, it is listed on Radium. So you're going to launch your coin on Radium. Why? Because basically, compared to pop.fun here, when you launch on Radium, you're going to have way less competition. You're going to have more visibility here. Your coin is going to get more attraction. So that's why it's better to launch straight up on Radium. And then, guys, when your coin is going to be listed on Radium, what they do basically, they just wait for buys to come in. And when there's enough buy, they extract the liquidity pool, guys. Everything I'm going to show you today, it's all for educational purposes only, of course. But yeah, let's get straight to it. So guys, I found the perfect tool to create your coin on. It's Mintrosh.fun. Why guys? Because it's reliable, it's cheap, it's fast. I'm just going to show you the website, how to use Mintrosh. Look guys, Mintrosh.performers. So these coins have been launched on Mintrosh directly on Radium. They reached a crazy market caps. If you have any questions, it might get answered here in the FAQ. But yeah guys, let's get straight to it. So guys, the first step is actually going to be connecting your wallet to the website. So you just click on select wallet, Fathom. If it's your first time connecting your wallet to the website, what you're going to do basically is going to show you a window on the top of the right. You just click on connect and that's it. Your wallet is going to get connected, guys. Then that's the most important part, guys, the coin creation. So to do so, guys, what I would advise you to do, what these people are doing, they're just copying pump.fun coins, pop.fun trending coins. So to do so, what you would do is you would go on pop.fun, you'd see what has high volume here. So let's choose this coin, for example, that reached $53,000 market cap. So you would just click on it. You would see how it is. You would see it was launched about an hour ago. Okay, it looks like a good coin to launch. Then guys, the next step would be downloading the image here, saving the image, to have an image for a coin. Then you would just copy and paste the name and the symbol. So let's go back on Mintrosh here. So for the token name, let me just go back on pub.fun. So it's bully. Boom. The token symbol, it's bully also. So it's a straightforward, simple coin, this one. Bully. Here it is. So for the token description, there's not really a token description, so you can leave it blank, or you can just write something dumb like bully is here. Something dumb. For the total supply, token supply, just leave it at 1 billion. It's the standard number. And for the decimals, I would advise you to put it at 9. 9 is better. You can leave it at 6, but 9 is better. And so let me just upload the image here. All right, here it is, guys. So let me just continue. So for the social links here, not really no need to put your social links here. Maybe if they got a Twitter or a Telegram, you can put it there. But else, there's not really a need for you to put the social links here. And then guys, this is the most important part of the coin creation process. So basically, that's where you're going to revoke freeze authority. So freeze authority basically allows you to freeze tokens, token accounts of holders. So for example, if someone buys into your token, you can just freeze his wallet and he's not going to be able to sell or buy more of your coin. You want to revoke this because now people are aware. If they see that freeze has not been revoked, they're just not going to buy into your coin, guys. Revoking mint authority is also a must because if you don't revoke mint, you basically still have the right to print more tokens out of thin air. So people are not really going to trust your coin. They're going to think it's a scam. So you need to revoke mint authority to attract buyers. And of course, you revoke update authority. And that's why I love this platform so much. It's free here. They don't charge you an additional fee. It's completely free. You just need to check it, guys. So when everything is in check, guys, you just click on launch my token now. All right, guys, no worries. This is a standard message because the platform is a bit new. That's why. But no worries, guys. Everything I'm going to show you in this video, there's not going to be any cuts. So you can see everything that is going on. I'm going to show you the transaction details and everything. So, you know, at least you have a peace of mind and you know that it's not something weird. So you can just proceed here. So look, that's the transaction. You're sending the small fee to the platform. You're creating an account. That's the metadata account. You're setting new authorities, so you're basically revoking Mint's unfreeze authority. So you can just confirm here. Yes, confirm. So guys, you just need to wait about like 20 to 30 seconds. Your coin is gonna get created. It takes a bit of time on the blockchain to appear, especially in times of high congestion. So now it's just creating your coin. It's checking your wallet and everything. So you know, give it like 20, 30 seconds, and it should be good, guys. Yeah, here it is, guys. The token has been successfully created. So now, guys, the next step. First, we're gonna see if it appeared on SoulScan. On SoulScan, you need to give it like about like a minute for all the informations to appear. So yeah, if you have SPL token here, no worries. You just needed to wait a minute. So that's the token address, though. We can double check it with the one on Mintrush. So that's the same token address here. So we're just gonna wait a little bit more. You can go in the Explorer too. So let me go in the Explorer. We're just gonna copy and paste the token address here. Yep. Yeah, here it is, Bully. So that's our token image. That's the name, Bully. The address, you can double check it with the website. We got 1,000,000,009 decimals. So yep, everything has been created successfully. If you go back on SoulScan and just refresh, it should, yeah, Bully. Uh, Everything is in check, guys. So yeah, the next step, guys, now would be actually creating the liquidity pool. Creating the liquidity pool is basically going to create a market for your token. So to do so, guys, everything is on the website. That's why I love this platform so much. You don't even need to leave the website to do all of this. You just click on create liquidity pool. So it's gonna open the liquidity pool menu. And basically, guys, here you're going to be able to choose the token that we just created. So for example, this one, Bully. And here, guys, what you would do is you would basically put an amount of SOL. So the more, the better. But for beginners, I would advise you to put about like 0.4 SOL in the liquidity pool and put about like 900 million of your tokens here. You know, keep in mind there's a 0.3 SOL fee required when you create the liquidity pool, but no worries, guys. This money goes directly into your liquidity pool, so you're not even losing it. And guys, the 0.4 you're putting in the liquidity pool, you can always remove it. So if you remove it, you get back your 0.4 SOL. Guys, this is money you're not losing. You know, it's not another investment, guys. You can always get back your money and not lose anything, guys. And when your liquidity pool is going to get created, I'm not going to do it in this video because I already launched the coin a couple of hours ago. But when your liquidity pool is going to get created, it's basically going to show up in the Radium pools menu here. So yeah, guys, look, that's a token I created a couple of hours ago. It's already $2,000 in profit, which is absolutely crazy. So 14 SOL in profit, guys. I created it on the platform the same way here. And basically, guys, the next step would be to, like, if you have enough profit here, it would be to just remove the liquidity pool. So to do so here, you would just select the amount. Most people, they just do 100% and they click on remove. And this amount of SOL you're seeing here, guys, you're getting back in your account. And keep in mind, for this token, guys, I only put in 1 SOL in the liquidity pool. So I made a 14 SOL profit. If I ever decide, of course, to remove the liquidity pool, which is completely crazy, guys. So let's go.